What's up, GTR squad? I'm finna do a prank on Tvpolo. I'm finna steal his dirt bike and hide it. Come on, y'all. Shh. Hold the camera. Hold the camera, me record. Hold the camera from me, record. Come on. Y'all too stay. Y'all too much, come on.
Bye-bye.
Y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. I'll be back in a minute.
Huh? Huh? Oh, don't eat the rhythm.
Kobe, you going home?
No.
Oh.
Where is it? You know where it's at.
Huh?
You know how I know you know where it's at? I didn't say nothing. You know what I'm talking about.
You don't know where it is.
No, where is it?
I don't know.
Why do you have Rico phone?
That's not her.
What am I talking about?
Huh?
What am I talking about?
The motorcycle.
Okay. So where is it?
I don't know.
Why are you recording me?
I don't know.
Why are you recording me?
Don't care.
What are you doing?
Hey, Rico.
You want to record us though? What are you doing?
What you doing?
You know what I'm doing.
Come on, phone. I just got here. I just got home.
Tuesday, Mario.
Okay. Yeah, but why you still recording me?
I just turned it off.
Yeah. So you know where it's at.
What was it?
You know good where it's
Bro,
at.
what is you talking about, bro?
TT told me.
TT told you what?
You know where it's at.
I know what it.
Stop at the door. That's
What
why you recording me.
I'm not even recording. My phone is off.
No, I
Yes,
just
it
see your
is.
phone. Listen,
I just
don't
turned
know where
my
he gonna
phone
post his
off,
on,
bro.
But guess what? You was not pranking me, dude.
No, bro. What are you
You
talking
was
about?
not pranking me, dude. No. It's not going to happen. This is the second time you didn't jump. This second time, it's not going to work. Fool me once, I'm dumb. Fool me twice, I'm smart.
I don't know. This man is dumb.
He took my own dirt bike.
Bro, I don't know where your dirt bike at.
Why you lie to say I told you he had it?
No, I didn't say you had it. I didn't say y'all.
And try
Oh, I'm
he
about
called
to
you
know what
big
you
head.
talking about.
What does this man got going on, yo?
He put it somewhere, and I think I know where he put it.
I don't.
Where you going? You can't go in my backyard. It's wet back there. Don't go in my backyard, bro. Don't go in my backyard, bro. It ain't even back there. I don't know, your dirt bike. I thought how you got over here? You walk? Oh. Then why you said you had your dirt bike with you?
I never said that, my dude. I ain't with you.
How you
You
can't
caught
do
it
it?
a lie. You caught it a lie. Why you zooming in on me?
No, Kanye teach me.
Nah. No. No. So it's in the backyard.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey, bro, you play too much, bro.
What is you talking
What
about,
you
bro?
know what I'm talking about? That's why you tell Mario, do you want to go play basketball so you can call me outside?
No. You thought.
Oh, I ain't seen nothing.
You thought. Go check Dre house. How about that?
Always check J out.
Go check Dre house.
Always check J out.
You don't know? I don't know.
Check J house for what?
Whatever you looking for.
I'm not looking for nothing.
Oh, damn. Carry on about your business then.
I would need to like record you.
I ain't recording you.
But what did you go post this on?
What is you talking
I
about?
want to know. I know you go post it on GTR Money, but that's fine. Okay. Okay. Alright, you gonna find it. Prince. Prince.
I got you.
So he got me, bro. But forget that, John.
Huh?
Forget that, John. I'm gonna get him back one day. He over here riding my dirt bike again. Ain't it right? Right?
But look, you want
You don't know what to do. Y'all won't. I'm gonna get her back, bro. Trust me. I'm gonna get this man back.
I'm finna go see what she get something over back.
What should I do to get this man back?
Do something. You gotta do something that he really love, like his phone or something. Cause you know
What you know what I'm gonna do, bro?
what.
I'm gonna get in the car in.
Boy, I ain't gonna be there.
I know what I'm gonna do to get Rico back.
What?
Nothing.
What you gonna do, Riley?
Break his phone.
Nah,
Make him
this
strong.
this still my phone. So I mean, I can't do that. You know, so. I'm gonna mess with the kite. See, I'm gonna go ahead and edit the jump before you see this jump. But look, though.
Boy, you alright, boy.
Another
Hell
prank
on
is-
you, boy.
No, cause I know kite. I'm gonna prank that man so hard. But listen though, I'm gonna be like, we go out with each other.
Who's that riding?
Oh, that's just a prank. I'm gonna be like, we go out with each other. Really don't. He can be like, bro, you fake. Bro, you fake. And
He be like, bro, don't need to come back to my house.
Alright, bro, I really should beat you up, bro.
yeah,
I really should beat you up, bro.
You really playing, bro.
Yeah, you
I'm
really
finna
playing.
steal you,
Yeah,
bro.
you know what I mean? With that title do-rag on the head.
What? But
But
girl,
look,
say,
though.
bro, I'm be like, bro, don't hate him.
I'm gonna have them in it too.
You'll be like, bro, I'm feel like
You
I'm
do that
holding
all
him
the
back. Be like, no, bro, don't do
I
it.
be like, bro, they were really talking for some months.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.